It tastes good, man. I'm telling you, this is like an apple pie crust that has bits of apple in it. Really good. And I like the little snap that it has.
Each their own.
Mm-hmm. That's why we work.
Yeah. We don't eat each other's snap.
I also put a black shirt on, and then Liv was like, I'm going to go wear a black shirt.
It was vice versa, actually. I come out and I sit down with my black shirt on, and then all of a sudden he comes out of the bedroom with a black shirt on, and I'm like, oh, you're going to match me. Okay.